Audit reports about out. Time no day. Maminko straight. Naminko ya way. Now, as I said, watching any Canadian Japan Asembiaba, and people are talking about it a lot. The person Mikawa said we want to say. As I said, watching about because the Canadian Japan some of our fan who ya tro about or no any the former Chief Justice Enini. I have told you so many times. Former Chief Justice Enini no a crown for. I have told you my catch them wa be seen there. Now what Hana Meka Chemu say $5 million scandal hanging kum ebe seen there. Enini Yabua dragi case that would free Supreme Court. Enini Yabua my car a danya okwaji frink of sema and one for assase be the videos chiremo. Canada Japan, what he is doing today, it should not shock anybody. As Sensubuachi and the Ministry of Housing have come out to say, Canada Japan and some okika say ono Sensubuachi, we asase, we are waiting in a tro, na emomuno ono onyeshi, and on mama history about a endine assassin. What I want to say in the say, so you're gonna need now shame. Now I will say, Canada Japan, the oil bantama against Asensubuachi no, it is in the interest of Ghana. Not Sebio, with all due respect, we are Jimmy 4. I'm telling you. Canada Japan, our bantama, campaign, amani nuya, say Ombetua Asensubuachi, Adentra, Asensubuachi did not support him to contest Mahmoud Baumia. Asensubuachi is a thief, you all know. Canada Japan is a thief. Now, I'm not going to sit on my platform and say, Canada Japan is right about Asensubuachi, and Asensubuachi is right about the two of them are criminals. Now, for Canada Japan to even mount a stage, now I can say, former Chief Justice Yewi, onimse wafawe, onimse wayewe, Asensubuachi su Yewi. Now, man, to a man Asensubuachi, dear Mekano, Kennedy does not even deserve to stand on any platform. Now, Kennedy name will say, Sebio. Ye mudu do Ghana for no titru ye nua ma wasantim sebio e mudu do ne Jimmy oba o se Ghana first oba o se o se man to ama me nua make say party no se man to ama me nua ensema me de beba no. This is a man who was telling you say he is clean. Canada Japan, everybody is a liar ono kwa na ka no kre. Now listen to Canada Japan na me ka se me chro, and I know most of you guys you've seen this video already.
Former Chief Justice Only judicial service. Any asenso. Omume yano. Eye justice. Mafu sound. Owu yano. Ifia otimono. Etien na esi. Abaidia. Enipebi omu fasa. Dan grani omu. And net positions inti. Omu besi omu defa. Omu ba. Omu bedu omu. I have a tax for the Vice President of Mahama. So Vice President we know. Mahama ne winyo me say sadano di media chiri am the issues of my investigation. Let them take me to court. Only I mean a report to special prosecutor first. My dear former Chief Justice, he should come out and let us know. Justice Safu Mafu Sound, if he are no team or we are say CIA or Mafa. What kind of life is this? I mean, it's wrong that kind of corruption. Some of you should be. I feel I'm more patch on Canada Japan on Kasai, no better campaign now as you on your campaign. Some was in the Mukasa, and maybe Obia when you Mukasa. Almost woman, your man Kati. Let me stay away from this campaign, and we shall see what will happen. According to you, be able to say, I see some Kasa.
Secretary Japan, we read the MPP phones on Jimmy. And my catcher will say, every time we are MPP for EPC, Omuye BBA, almost at 2 centimetres. Is Canada Japan can say, Baumia age Jimmy, Onim economy, Onim BBA. Baumia is a field politician. And Canada Japan can say, we should vote for him and that he's cleaner and better and that he's coming with a new NPP. And the Canada Japan catcher will say, oh, someone come and want to on your campaign, Baumia. This guy has no principles. Nipa what we are say wawu 29 also who so obetumi poison wekum. Canada Japan is not a manner or what principles or the born brow. All the Canada Japan air or bantman any interest Mo kwasiafo na mugo na mo ye pacha no mo jimi ama no. Kennedy Japan does not care about you people sitting there. But when we say mo jimi, so he is going to capitalize on your weak intelligence. Suddenly, Kennedy Japan nim eye bonia asenso bo achi di ye nyina eni ne ebo adi ye. When did he get to know about it? Suddenly, Kennedy Japan onimobia bone enti sesia no one na betuma expose obia se onye dia the only thing ebe mana stopping say yentuma ni nua no asantefo agimi nti oh Kennedy obese party nti yankotuma ni nua no asanso bo achi ekromfo asanso bo achi nim kasa asanso bo achi agimi asanso bo achi de se motuma na de meye party no, then Kennedy is a walking contradiction or ekromfo. Nobody can trust Kennedy. Oh, your banner that Kennedy chima de chiana kukuduro. Because before you people go to bed, this man can tell you your life is safe. By the time I'm about to know because this is the same man who was telling you say, Baomia say Ghana, Baomia any MP before no, omo yakromfo, omo wiabema Baomia. This same guy is standing before Ghana for say, I some pese, mom pese me campaigner, so this guy is basically telling you say, me all that I need is do what I like and I'll leave you people. How? Into Akasa no mwejiminti also Ghana first. Kennedy Japan didn't come into politics because of you. Senka Kennedy Japan omo amoto abama no ema de ba politics mu omo nana odwene omo ho a ankende anka ni krom asen fosu anase ase de ande dompem no anka eho e fetching Johannesburg. I'm telling you, Kennedy Japan came into politics as selfish interest. Someday no can be or say ni nua no and a wini anase case ni ma NPP. Listen, ebi amo amonte kasa monte politics aseno or say sa ni nua no person di MP what eye bantama no sa ni nua no na di na chiko court as a lawyer echo wini case against the Anas. Kennedy Japan the journalist to TV so and your board journalist too. And Anas a defending no no. Kennedy Japan nua no ko gina court ko catch Ghana for say eye amesole na yekunu no eye Anas a ne ku no enye Kennedy Japan enti court no enye den ema Kennedy Japan enante. Sa akoyo ko defend Kennedy say amesole na yebo ni tu no enye sebio eye Anas ne bo amesole tu no sa akwane person obeye MP. This guy could not defend or could not say my brother, this issue you are talking about is about human lives. As much as we know what you did alone by putting the guy's face on TV, no, it could be Ahmed Swale. But morally, in my job, no, I cannot go stand in court and defend you, because what signal would I be sending to people out there? Because tomorrow, another member of parliament who is a lawmaker can also go sit on TV and say,